Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I have brought to you another version of my tiny stud earrings. Here in this earring I have used bicones and montees, and here I have already made them in amethyst and ruby color. In this video we are going to make these earring in chrysolite color. So let us see what all material do we need to make these earrings. So friends, for making our tiny stud earring in green color, we would need these 4 mm beacons in chrysolite color. Then I'll be using these 4 mm montees in rose gold color. Here I'm using these 3 mm pearls in bright gold color. Here I'll be using these seed beads in 11/0 and 15/0 size. These are Milky Duracoat Galvanized Champagne 11/0 and these are Milky Duracoat Galvanized Champagne 15/0. Then we need this ear post. This is 6 mm in size. I'll be working with Hana thread and size 12 beading needle. So let's get started. For making our stud, we would first pick up 4 3 mm pearls. So here you can see that I have picked up these 4 3 mm pearls, and now I will bring them down toward the end of my thread like this. Tie a double knot. So this is the look. Now I will pass through all these beads once again and pull this thread, this tail, in between my beads. Like this. Now I will pick up one 11/0 champagne and pass through this next 3 mm pearl. Again I will pick up one 11/0 champagne and pass through this next 3 mm pearl. Again picking up one 11/0 champagne and pass through this next 3 mm pearl, and my fourth 11/0 champagne and pass through this next 3 mm pearl. And now we can cut off this tail. Now I will step up into this first 11/0 champagne that I added in this round. So this is the look after adding the 11/0 champagne. And now I will pick up one 15/0 champagne, one 4 mm Monty, and one 15/0 champagne. So here you can see that I have picked up one 15/0 champagne, one 4 mm Monty, and one 15/0 champagne. And as you can see that I'm exiting through this side of 11/0, and here I'll be passing through this 11/0 on the opposite side from here, placing this Monty over my component like this. Now I will go back through this 15/0 into the Monty and this 15. So I'm going back through all these 3 beads. You can see this. Keeping it tight into the 11 like this. We have to keep it tight here. So this is the look, and now I will pass through this next 3 pearl into this next 11 champagne. Again I will pick up 115 champagne and pass through this monte like this. Now I will pick up 115 champagne and pass through this 11 champagne. Now after exiting through this 11 champagne, I will go back into this 15 into the monte and this next 15. So here you can see I am going back through all these 3 beads like this and into the 11 underneath. Here we have to keep the thread tight. So after adding this monte on the top of these pearls, this is the look of our earring. And now I will pick up one 4 bicone, 115 champagne and one 4 bicone. So here I have picked up these 3 beads, one 4 bicone, 115 champagne and one 4 bicone, and pass through this next 11 champagne like this. Again I will pick up the same set of beads, one 4 bicone, 15 champagne and one 4 bicone, and pass through this next 11 champagne. Again the same set, one 4 bicone, 115 champagne and one 4 bicone, and pass through this next 11 champagne. And now I'll pick up my last set of these beads, one 4 bicone, 115 champagne and one 4 bicone. So now I will pass through this first 11 champagne. Now this is the look of our earring, and now I will step up into this bicone, 15 and the bicone, pick up 115 champagne and pass through this next 4 bicone and into the 15 champagne like this, into this next bicone. Again pick up 115 champagne and pass through this 4 bicone, into this 15 champagne and the next bicone. Again 115 champagne into this bicone, into this 15 champagne, into this next bicone, and this 15 champagne into the bicone and the next 15 champagne. So here you can see that I have added 15 champagne in between the sets of bicones that we added in the last round, and this is the look of our earring from the front. And now I will go down through this bicone and into this 11 underneath. like this. Now this is our earring, and now we would be adding the earpost to it. So for this I will flip it toward the back side, and now here you can see that I'm exiting through this 11O, and now I will pick up 5 15O champagne. Here you can see 3 and 2 5 15O champagne, and now I will pass through this next 11O champagne like this. Again I will pick up 5 15O champagne, and pass through this next 11O. Again the same set of 5 15Os, and pass through this next 11O. And the last set of 5 15Os, and into the first 11O, and after that I will step up into the first 3 15Os, the first set that I added. Here you can see after exiting through this 11O, I will be passing through 1 2 and 3, first 3 15Os of the first set of 5 15Os that I added in the last round, like this. Here you can see I'm exiting through the middle 15O, and now here we have to create a net for our ear post. So after adding the 5 15Os, I'm picking up 3 15Os, and I will pass through the middle 15O of the next set, that is the third one. You can see here middle 15O, or you can say 1 2 and 3, third 15O of the next set, like this. Again picking up 3 15Os and pass through the middle 15O, that is the third 15O. Again 3 15Os and pass through the middle one of the next set. Again 3 15Os, and now I will pass through this middle 15O of the first set. So here, before pulling it tight, we will place our ear post into this net, very gently hold it, and now we can pull our thread like this. Now I will step up into the first 2 15Os of this first set, here I am exiting through this middle 15O again, the second one. Now I will pick up 1 15O champagne and pass through the middle 15O of the next set. Keep it nice and tight here. Again 1 15O champagne and pass through the middle one of the next set. Again 1 15O champagne and pass through the middle 15O of the next set. again my last 15 o champagne and pass through the middle 15 o of the first set, like this. And now we will tighten it up. I will pass through this 15 o that we just added and the middle 15 o, like this. You can see I am passing through the two 15 o's. Again, this 15 o that we just added and the next one to which we added it. Again through this 15 o and the next one, like this. Again into this 15 o and the next one. Again into this 15 o that we added in the last round. Into this. Now I'm passing through all the single 15 o's that we added in the last round. Like this. So here we have tightened up our ear post and this is our earring, and now we are going to tie a knot in between these beads. And pass through a couple of beads. Like this. And now we can cut off our thread. So here you can see that we have completed our earring. Tiny stud earring, a very cute tiny stud earring in green color. So friends, here we have completed our tiny stud earrings in chrysolite color, and I had already shown you two more colors at the beginning of my video, one in amethyst and the other one was in ruby color. So I hope you would love these earrings. These studs look so pretty. You can wear them standalone or you can use them as ear post for your danglers. So I hope you would love making them, wearing them and gifting them to your friends and family. So friends, if you like my designs, my tutorials and my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when I'll upload my next video. Thank you.